Have you ever felt like cute skincare products won't actually work?
Or that clinical brands can feel intimidating?
We believe that both could coexist for the perfect balance of fun and efficacy. I'm Christine.
And I'm Sarah, and in 2017, we co-founded Glow Recipe, a fruit-forward, clinically effective skincare brand that helps you find your healthiest, glowing skin at any part of your skin journey.
For us, skincare was a part of life growing up and often found in our kitchens.
Now, we work hand in hand with our labs to combine your favorite clinically proven skincare ingredients with antioxidant-rich fruits to make sensorial products and eye-catching packaging.
Designed specifically to transform your skincare routine from a daily chore into a moment of joy and self-care.
The most important part, they actually work. We want everyone to feel empowered to make the best decisions for your skin.
So we always take an inclusive and educational approach to spark conversations about our brand values such as real skin acceptance,
Sustainability,
inclusivity,
clinical efficacy, and more.
Shout out to our Glow Gang for their continued support.
And we can't wait for you to join the conversation.